So in this video, I am gonna prepare pepper steak, and I am using 2 pieces of beef top sirloin that I am gonna cut into thin strips. So I am cutting against the grain. This thickness is okay, and as you can see, this cut off beef is very thin as well. I already went ahead and cut the first piece into some strips. So now I'm gonna do the second piece and then wash with vinegar and water, put to drain, pat dry, and then I will be right back. To season the beef, I am gonna use all-purpose, some seasoned salt that is Lawry's, no MSG, marjoram, oregano, chili powder, onion powder, and dry thyme leaves. And you don't know, so I'm going to use salt. So these are basically the spices and the herbs. Few spices and more herbs. And of course I'm going to use salt as well. So I am going to season the beef right there. So I think I'm going to use some garlic powder as well. Yeah. So the salt is sleeping because we are having lots of rainfall, flooding and all of them something there in some parts in Jamaica. So the salt is not flowing. And this is the garlic powder. A little bit of extra dark soy sauce and a little bit of meat sauce. This is optional. I'm just showing you my way of preparing pepper steak, and if you like it you can try it, right? And a little bit of this sauce right here, Worcestershire sauce. Oui. About a teaspoon of each. Give it a good mix. Three cloves garlic, 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, onion, piece of ginger root, Okay, so it's best to marinate the meat for at least an hour. However, I don't have no time for that right now. So I'm also gonna use sweet peppers, but at the end of the cooking time I will put the sweet peppers because I want them to be somewhat crunchy. Anyway, a two little dulba may have, you see me, because rain a fall and the people then produce through wash way, so me can get no sweet pepper for buy whether at Shoppers Fair or in the market now. So I'm gonna prepare the beef on high heat. Alright, so I put a skillet on high heat, or should I say medium high heat. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of vegetable oil and allow that to become hot. So now I'm gonna add the beef to the hot oil. Yeah, like I said, this is my way of preparing pepper steak. Right, so if you like my way, you can try it. My way is very delicious, by the way, very flavorful and very nice. Use it. So I'm gonna cover the skillet and allow the beef to cook in its own juice. So the beef is cooking in its own juice. So I did not add any water, and as you can see, there is some liquid in the pot. So I'm gonna cover the pot and allow the beef to cook until the liquid dissolved. So as you can see, the water dissolved. So I need to cook the beef to a soft texture, right? So I'm gonna pour in a little water, just a little bit of water at a time, until the beef is cooked to the texture that I want. So I can't say the cooking time as yet. You know, it all depends on the texture of the meat. And I'm not gonna add a lot of water at a time, just gonna add a little bit at a time. Yes, and allow it to soften, cook until soft. So the beef is cooked. It takes about 30 minutes because the texture is not tough. And I did cut it lengthwise, so I cut it against the grain, so in that way the beef will be easily cooked. Now I am gonna add the sweet peppers. So I guess you all know what I am gonna add next, and it is a little bit of ketchup. And this is optional. Just gonna let everything simmer down. So this is my pepper steak. all done. Gravy is rich and thick. And I did not use cornstarch. So this is the natural gravy. So I'm gonna serve this up with white rice and broccoli, because I did steam some broccoli. Yeah, so that's it. If you enjoy this recipe, you can try this recipe